Now to get the residue, first of all we'll get the residue of f of z at z is equal to, I'll find simple pole first, z equal to minus 2. There is no rule like that, you can find either of them as you like. So residue of f of z at z equal to 2 means in that case the formula is this one. This is the formula. Okay. So residue of f of z at z equal to 2 is given by limit. So here z0 is what? This is your z0. Z equal to z0 means that point at which the function is not analytic, or you can say the simple this pole. So limit z tends to minus 2, then z minus z0. See the formula, z minus z0 f of z. Okay, z minus z0 means z minus 2. Z minus 2 means this function will come the same way which you used to do limit in 11th or 12th. So z minus, so I'll write the formula here. Z tends to z0, z minus z0 into f of z, which is equal to limit z tends to minus 2 into z minus 2 means z plus 2 into f of z, we have z square upon z minus 1 the whole square into z plus 2. Okay, so now see, this is what happens when you put this z minus z0 here, and that which make the function not analytic, that which was creating a problem in this function, that we are removing. Okay, this is the magic of limits. So z plus 2 and z plus 2 is there, and we cancel that one. So now nothing is there which makes the denominator 0. Numerator can be 0, but always look that the denominator should not be 0. So now limit z tends to minus 2 means just replace z by minus 2. So minus 2 square upon here minus 2 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so this is minus 2 square is 4 upon minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 square is plus 9. This is residue of f of z at z equal to minus 2. Now secondly, residue of f of z at z is equal to the second point, z equal to 1, which is a pole of order 2. Okay, z equal to 1 which is pole of order 2 means here m is 2, pole of order 2. So that formula is given by limit z tends to z0, here 1 upon m minus 1 factorial limit z minus z0 into what is the formula? See, d raised to m minus 1 upon dz raised to m minus 1. So it is d to the power m minus 1 means 2 minus 1. You need not write this 2 minus 1. Okay, just for your information I am writing here this 2 minus 1 upon dz raised to 2 minus 1. Then here z minus z0 raised to m. So here I will write that m only, m upon m minus 1 into f of z. Okay, so now this is equal to, just put the values. So 1 upon m minus 1 factorial, 2 minus 1 factorial means 1 factorial, limit z tends to 1, now d raised to m minus 1. So 2 minus 1. So d upon dz will come, and here z minus z0. Z0 is what? Z0 is 1. Okay, z0 is 1. So z minus 1 raised to 2 into f of z. F of z is z square upon z minus 1 the whole square into z plus 2, right? So now see again, this is, see, z minus 1 the whole square, z minus 1 the whole square cancel. Now just put the limit after finding the derivative. So 1 upon 1 factorial is again 1. So limit z tends to 1, derivative of d by dz of z square upon z plus 2. I hope you can continue with these derivatives. Okay, and the answer is given by 5 upon 9, you will get the answer. Okay, so complete this and tell me. Find the derivative using u upon v formula. Use u by v formula, then put z equal to 1 after finding the derivative. Okay, then you will get the answer as 5 upon 9. Hope you understood. If you understood right,